If you have images that belong together, then what you can actually also do is stack down the images together. For example, let's say for example, I have these images right here, just like this. So you can see that I have these images. I can go ahead and hold Shift and select all of them right here. And let's say I want to actually stack them out together. In that case, you can go around over here onto the photo menu now. And then over here, what you can do is you can go ahead onto stacking. And then what you can do is you can group into stacks now, and then the photos now has been turned into stacks, as you can see right here. You can go ahead right here, select all of these, or you can also individually select them out right here, just like this, by holding Control right here, just like this. And then what you can do is you can go around over here onto a photo right here, and then you can simply go ahead onto stacking and group them out as a stack. And now once you do that, you get these handles which you can use to expand the stacks, and you can see the stacks. You can even click and drag to reorder the photos in the stacks right here. And then if I were to click right here, then the stacks are closed. You can go ahead and expand this as well, and you can go ahead and click and drag out the stacks right here, just like this, and then rearrange it out according to how you like. So this is how you can actually go ahead and then arrange out the stacks right here in group, and click on the line to actually expand out the group as well. So you can see that this stack has a main photo right here. If I were to actually go ahead and then expand this, let's say for example, so if I were to go ahead and then expand this, this is the cover page right now. But I can actually go ahead and let's say for example, keep this in the beginning. Let's say for example right here, this particular photo in the beginning right here, just like this. Then what happens is that if I were to actually go ahead and close the stack now right here, then that becomes the cover photo right there for that particular stack as well. So into group now photos together for easy maintenance of photos and then management of photos, then you can actually utilize this method right here. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with stacking of images inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.